Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to use like CapCut PC Pro without like inviting friends or doing other stuff like that. So for instance, you select a video and you want to add these like effects to the video, for instance, and it's like the Pro one. So you're just going to add those first. Then you're going to make it a full screen and you're going to basically record it. It's not going to be super high quality and stuff, but it's the only way to basically use like the Pro version. You don't need to export it. You'll just edit the video again later if you want to. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.